there guys, how's it going? And what we have to talk about today is the Luminessence Apple Cinnamon Scented Pillar Candle. Yes, okay. Oh boy, now, pillar candles. I've used these for several years now, and Apple Cinnamon is my absolute favorite scent that Luminessence makes. I really like this scent, and it really just makes me feel very good smelling it. It kind of takes me into like a euphoria type relaxation, you know. And you can put these candles anywhere. I suggest putting a tray underneath the bottom, just because, you know, I mean, at first, when you first get these candles, you know, they burn fine, you know, just like they are, but they'll get lower and lower and lower, and you want to be ready for when that bottom part melts down, and you don't want to, you know, mess up whatever surface it's on. Yeah, but you're going to love the scent, and it's just delightful. You can use it daytime or nighttime in pretty much any room in the house, but I suggest if you have children, just keep it up kind of high so they don't play with it, you know, because that's just an accident waiting to happen, having something burning around small children. So yeah, but it's very relaxing. I like to burn these candles when I'm laying back on the sofa and reading my book, like on a Sunday, you know, and say everybody is gone out of the house except for me. Me, my candle, and my good book. Yes, and it kind of just puts you in this relaxation mode. It's really good. I've used the candles for a long time, and I know a lot of people may think it's not very masculine to, you know, burn candles and, you know, relax with it, but my wife turned me on to it, and I don't care. It is a nice feeling. I mean, you can do it in the privacy of your own home, and you will feel really super nice, just relaxing to a nice scented candle while you're doing whatever you're doing. Yeah, I don't suggest falling asleep with the candle burning. And I gotta admit that has happened a few times. But yeah, if your candles are burning, try not to fall asleep while they're, you know, burning, because it could really cause some kind of a bad accident. I know like before we go to bed, sometimes my wife likes to burn one of these and, you know, make the room smell really nice and everything, and I like it a lot too. But I always have to remember, oh man, it smells good, we're relaxing in the bed and, you know, just watching TV or whatever. You gotta remember to turn it off. And several times we didn't, and I woke up like in the middle of the night and it's still burning. Oh man, we dodged a bullet there. But yeah, these smell really good, and the smell, the fragrance is not crazy strong. It's not a smell that's going to just be overbearing and super intense to where it's just, oh God, okay, I'm just gonna burn this for a few minutes and then turn it off because the room is just filling up with just this apple smell. And it's not like that. It's not. It's very subtle, and it's just enough. It's that they've put just enough in there to just give you that nice scent that you can breathe with, you know. So it's good. It's really good, and I'm really glad they have a candle like this versus just like an air freshener or something to just sit around that permeates a smell. Because having the fire, the little wick on there with a little fire burning, adds to the emotional, you know, feeling that you get when you're burning one of these, and it just feels nice to have a really nice smell and a flickering candle to go along with it. Yeah, it's really good, really good. And like I said, apple cinnamon is my absolute favorite, and I've been doing this for a while now, and I haven't gone as far as like women do. Like, you're taking a bath and you turn off the lights and you light a candle and soak in some bubbles or something. I don't do that, okay? But I will light a candle in my living room and my bedroom sometimes and read a good book and have that scent go through the air. It really smells good and it's very relaxing. All right, well, that is the Luminessence. That's a Luminessence, but very good brand. Luminessence Apple Cinnamon Scented Pillar Candle. Yeah. I hope you guys use this information, and I will see you again next time. All right, bye-bye.